Hello internet people, good day. If you want to create your photos with this effect, like it is the molecular effect in which you can use into your Photoshop action. So with the help of Photoshop action you can easily create your photo into something like this. So for example, as you see that this is a very stunning good looking photos, and your simple photo can be turned into this classic art. How you can download this molecular Photoshop effect for free, which is obviously like it's paid, but you can download it for free. So simply you need to open a new tab, and in this tab you need to search Jogaarr. So with the help of Google search you can find this website Jogaarr. Remember this name. So when you're going to open this you can find many other resources and all of these things, but we are going to search this effect. For example, I'm going to write Photoshop action. Yes, this is actions, and after the search you can find this action here. So this is the article that have more detail about this action, how you can download, how you can use this. You can also use some of other like actions too, and at the bottom of this article you can download from this action from this button, as already 380 people are actually using this like Photoshop action, and you can get it too. So download it now and enjoy, and much share on your social media.